Living in Pell City means enjoying the charm of Alabama's beautiful landscapes and mild winters, but it also means being prepared for unpredictable weather. From heavy rainstorms to sweltering heat, your home's windows play a crucial role in protecting your family and maintaining comfort year-round. Installing weather-resistant windows is one of the best investments you can make to safeguard your home and improve its efficiency. Why weather-resistant windows matter? Windows are not just aesthetic features, they're your home's first line of defense against the elements. Weather-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme conditions, providing peace of mind during storms and improving your home's overall performance. These windows combine durability, energy efficiency, and style to ensure your home stays protected and comfortable no matter the forecast. Benefits of weather-resistant windows: protection from severe weather. Pell City homeowners know that Alabama's weather can be unpredictable. Weather-resistant windows are built with reinforced materials such as impact-resistant glass and sturdy frames to withstand high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain. This added protection can significantly reduce the risk of damage to your home during severe storms. Improved energy efficiency. Weather-resistant windows are designed to keep your home insulated, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and weathertight seals help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This not only enhances comfort but also lowers your energy bills. Noise reduction. In addition to protecting your home from the elements, weather-resistant windows also help minimize outside noise. Whether it's heavy rain, strong winds, or the hustle and bustle of daily life, these windows create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Enhanced security. The reinforced materials used in weather-resistant windows provide an added layer of security. Impact-resistant glass is more difficult to break, deterring potential intruders and keeping your home safer. Many modern designs also feature advanced locking mechanisms for additional peace of mind. Increased home value. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows can significantly boost your home's resale value. Buyers are often drawn to homes with durable, energy-efficient features that require minimal maintenance. By investing in high-quality windows, you're not only protecting your home but also increasing its market appeal. Features to look for in weather-resistant windows. When selecting weather-resistant windows for your Pell City home, keep the following features in mind. Impact-resistant glass. Impact-resistant glass is designed to withstand debris and strong winds without shattering. This type of glass is essential for homes in areas prone to severe weather. Energy-efficient technologies. Look for windows with energy-efficient features like double glazing, argon gas fills, and low E coatings. These technologies help reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Durable frames. Choose frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to warping, cracking, and corrosion. These materials are ideal for withstanding Pell City's varying weather conditions. Weather-tight seals. High-quality seals are essential for preventing drafts and moisture infiltration. Ensure your windows have tight seals to keep your home comfortable and protected. UV protection. Many weather-resistant windows come with built-in UV protection to shield your interior furnishings from fading and sun damage while still allowing natural light to fill your space. Preparing for installation. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows is a straightforward process when you work with a trusted professional. Here are a few steps to prepare your Pell City home. Assess your needs, evaluate your current windows and identify areas where improvements are needed. Consider factors like energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics. Choose the right products. Consult with a local expert to select windows that meet your specific needs and budget. Schedule installation. Work with a reliable contractor who specializes in weather-resistant windows to ensure a seamless installation process. Maintain your investment. Once your new windows are installed, perform regular maintenance to keep them in top condition. Clean the glass and frames, inspect the seals, and address any issues promptly. Protect your home today. Don't wait until the next storm to upgrade your windows. Weather-resistant windows provide year-round protection, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced comfort for your Pell City home. Whether you're building a new property or renovating your current one, these windows are a smart investment that offers lasting benefits. Contact a local professional today to explore your options and take the first step toward a safer, more efficient home.